In this video section, we will take a look at adding your home slide. We already have completed your title slide. That's this slide, the one with your name and description about you and your portfolio. We're going to go ahead and continue and create your home slide. This will be your second slide. We currently have a second slide that looks like the following. This is not actually what we're going to use, so let's go ahead and remove it. You can right click and choose delete slide. Now we will insert a new slide. The type of slide I will ask you to introduce is the one labeled title and content. So we want the one with the layout title and content. Once you have added it, you should see the following. Click to add title placeholder and a click to add text placeholder. Since this home slide will be kind of like an address book or a phone book or a little guide for our visitors to find about what we've learned, let's go ahead and label this learning accomplishments. I will actually do something on purpose here. I will misspell accomplishments. I'll click off to the side. What I want to just point out here is how to actually do spell checking inside of PowerPoint. When you're done typing and you click off, you will notice that there's a little red squiggly line that appears underneath accomplishments. That's because it's missing the yes. There's two ways to go ahead and try to find the correct spelling for this. You can right click on the word, and when you do that, PowerPoint will come up with some suggestions. Notice, they are suggestions. This is still a computer and it's not a human, so sometimes it makes mistakes. But in this case, I know that what I meant was accomplishments with an S, not the apostrophe S. So I will go ahead and click accomplishments. It will then go ahead and replace the word that I had with the correct one. There's another way of making that correction as well. Let me show you what that is. First, I will want to undo that change. So I will go and click undo. You notice that removes the S. So I undid that typing. I want to show you the second way that you can fix and find a spelling error. The way to do that is to go to your review tab. Click on the review tab at the top and then click on spelling. When you do so, that will launch the spell checker. A little spell checker box will appear and it will tell us the word that it cannot find in the dictionary. It cannot find the one I mistyped. It's right here in this box. Underneath, it's telling me what it will change the word to, or what it thinks it should be changed to. I have been given two choices, accomplishments or accomplishments apostrophe with the possessive form. I'm going to choose accomplishments, the top one, and then I'm going to choose change. When I do that, it will change the miscorrect spelling to the correct one. As an option, if, for example, it highlights your name and thinks that your name is spelled incorrectly, but you know that your name is not spelled incorrectly, you can simply choose ignore. And then it will ignore that and not change it. Please make sure of that. Make sure you know when to press which one. You press change when you actually want the word to change to one of these two options, or you press ignore if you wanted to skip that word because you know that the word is spelled correctly. I'm going to go ahead and press change. It'll tell me that the spell check is complete, and it will go ahead and make that change. By the way, clicking on the spelling command for the spell checker this way, I know may be a little longer than right clicking, but it will actually go through all the slides and check the spelling on all the slides if you so want to. Make sure you do take the time to spell check the work, even if it's at the end only, but do make sure that you spell check your work so that your work can be polished and have that professional look to it.